Here I'll show the services button. We select that and we have a smart and connected demo EBC. We select that and here we control iPics. We can interact with the HVAC control, the lighting control, the room mode to turn the thermostat from occupied to unoccupied. If we go to our lighting control and select that, I will show you how this can change, first of all, the building lights, which are the LED lights on the display panel here. And if we select building, and let's say we turn them to off, the lights go off. Here we can also select, say, an office or a home, and over here we have our Leviton lighting controls display lighting emulator, and what I'll do is I'll show you what happens when we select high. That is also controlled by the phone. You can set it to low, or off.